So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and add in Jotform is a calculator widget if you want to calculate out contents within the form itself. So to do that, you can go around over here onto widget and type in calculator right here just like this. And there's different sort of calculator widgets that you can add in, as you can see. For example, I'm going to add in calculator, BMI calculator, and let's just go around onto matrix calculator right here. There's calorie intake calculator, there's date differences calculator, and reading time calculator. So there's many different sort of calculators, as you can see right here. And then you can add in a numpad as well, and then you can see that there's auto hide numpad, or you can just show it out right here. So now you can see each of these calculators right here. You can actually go to the widget setting, and then you can change out to metric, or let's say for example imperial right here as you want. You can go for the matrix calculator and change around the color scheme as you want right here, just like this. And there's calorie intake, let's say calculator. You can change around the theme for it, and there's the date difference calculator as well, and you can exclude out certain days as well and change around the color as you want as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, then you will be able to see the calculator right here. So you can go ahead and let's say for example type in the calculation right here, press equals, and then this is what you have right here. So you can see that this is basically a normal calculator. And then apart from that, you can go ahead and change around the kgs to cm right here. And as you click on it, you can see that this is what you have right here. And then you can work around with these calculator. As I do that, you can see the calculation right here. And you can go around and change the metrics right here, just like this. And change around, let's say, for example, the feet right here as well. Apart from that, there's the matrix calculator. You can go ahead and change this out and enter out the number right here, just like this. And then go ahead and calculate, and you'll be able to see it. You can reset it and work around with this as you want as well. And there's the calorie intake calculator as well. For example, there's the A's right here. You can change around, let's say, for example, the weight, the height right here, just like this, and the inches as well. And then you can go around and calculate, and you can see the total calories, including exercise right here as well. Apart from that, there's the date difference. You can change around, let's say, for example, the date right here, and then you can change the time as well. And then you can see the date difference right here, just like this. So these are the different sort of calculators that you can actually go ahead and use inside of Jotform, and they are available in the widget section. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.